The Rebuild Project. This week's gospel reading is from Matthew chapter 14, verses 13 to 21. Bring me what you have. Some of you feel like you don't have enough. Not enough money, not enough discipline, not enough stability, not enough faith. In Matthew chapter 14, the disciples look at the 5 loaves and 2 fish and say, it's not enough. That's the rebuilding mindset, scarcity. But Jesus doesn't argue about the shortage. He says, bring them to me. He doesn't ask what you don't have. He asks what they do have. That's the shift. When you're rebuilding your life, you'll feel behind. You feel small. You feel inadequate. But Christ doesn't multiply what you wish you had. He multiplies what you surrender. Notice the order. He blesses, he breaks, he gives. Multiplication comes after surrender. Some of you are waiting for growth, but you're still gripping the loaves. You're holding back the part of your life you don't want touched. Your past, your anger, your addiction, your fear. Nothing multiplies in a closed fist. So here's the question. What are you still holding back? Bring him that. Because in the hands of Christ, 5 loaves and 2 fish become more than enough. Welcome to the Rebuild Project.